We got some Germans over yeah, yeah, yeah. This looks like a mixture of some kind of like Italian and I don't know, some kind of Italian and Spanish. Looks like we got some Spaniards and some Italians and yeah, mostly. We're slow down considerably.